Stop thinking that everything is under control. Hi guys, Sean here, and this is my day 1 of my video journal. So I had this experience recently. I just felt frustrated or disappointed with some people. Nakakalungkot lang isipin na even though wala naman tayong ginagawang hindi maganda, there will always be people who think otherwise. And that's not part of the things that we can control. How they think about us, how they can actually perceive us is out of our control. No matter what good things we do or kung gaano man kaganda yung intentions natin, may masasabi pa rin ng mga tao. And the first thing that we would want to do is to feel bad and disappointed for things that we don't control. Kasi we cannot control their emotions, we cannot control their perceptions against us. As long as we're being genuine, tayo naman nakakaalam nun eh. You don't need to prove yourself to anyone, guys. Let's remove all these things that's out of our control. Let's let go of them. Let's not waste our energy, our time thinking about people who doesn't even deserve it. They don't deserve our time and efforts. So let's not waste our time and energy for them. They don't like us. Let go. Let go of that feeling. Remain to your true purpose, to your true intentions. As long as you know, you believe, and all the things that you're doing is in the right track. Ayun lang yung kaya mong kontrolin, then so be it. And your perceptions nila about you or against you, wala ka na dun. So you can sleep peacefully at night na wala kang iniisip na hindi maganda sa ibang tao. May you sleep restfully, peacefully, thinking that you don't owe anyone an apology or you don't need to prove yourself to anyone. You don't have to pressure yourself that you have to change their perspective against you. Let's learn to let go of those feelings. Let's not be affected by those people who doesn't even deserve it. So lahat tayo matulog ng matiwasay, and let's always pray for those people along. Let's just have the benefit of the doubt that they don't know what they're doing, as Jesus did. God knows everything, and let go and let God take control. So yun lang, good night everyone, and see you on our day 2 tomorrow.